Welcome to Don Carinderia series.
I am very excited to share with you how I cook this classic Bistek Tagalog.
Let's start cooking!
So first, we'll marinate our beef in soy sauce, calamansi, and freshly ground pepper. And then we will chill it for 24 hours. We will slice some onions. Just for this purpose, I invested in a mandolin. It produces the perfect onion rings. Next thing we'll do is we'll break them apart. We'll get the beef from the fridge and we'll prepare it for cooking. On medium heat, we'll cook our beef. To achieve that sear, do not overcrowd your pan. Lower your heat, do not burn your beef. I learned that when cooking, we need to use our senses. When the cooking noise dies down, it's time to turn it over. Also, when cooking Bistek Tagalog, be patient. You may have to cook in batches. When everything is cooked, reunite them. Reunited and it feels so good. If you want a saucy Bistek Tagalog, add the marinade. Bring it to a boil and then simmer to reduce the sauce. We will be seasoning our Bistek Tagalog with freshly ground pepper. Always taste your food before adding salt. You may also add fish sauce for that umami kick. So lastly, we'll add in our onion rings. Mix it up a little and then it's ready to serve. Guaranteed to make your family happy. This is your perfectly splendid Bistek Tagalog.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.